How do you import a W-2 form into TurboTax? So first you want to go to TurboTax.com and then sign into your account. Then you want to go to the Documents section on the left side. And then you want to click on Documents tab here and add Tax Docs. Then you want to choose Import and then Continue. Then select Job Wages or Salaries from or Form W-2 and then Continue. And then you will need to enter your employer ID. So you can search for your employer or payroll provider by the EIN or the federal ID, and then press continue. And if you're prompted, you should sign into your payroll account and confirm the import. Then all you got to do is review the imported W-2 details before continuing. And once everything looks good, you can press continue to do the automatic import. And if you don't see an import option, it means your employer probably doesn't support automatic imports. In that case, you might need to enter the W-2 form manually. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.